Welcome. I'm very happy to share you some meditation instructions. Okay, now first it's very simple. Please keep your spine straight. Just straight, but don't worry too much about perfect. I have to stay there, perfect. Just keep straight. And please close your eyes. Just close your eyes like you're sleeping. You don't have to close too tightly or any special way. And then relax your muscles in your body. Relax muscles in your head, forehead, face, ear, cheeks, throat, upper body, arms and hands, lower body, and the legs and feet. Just totally relax. Yet, spine straight. And little bit bend your neck forward. Little bit. It's almost like the weight of your head rests on your neck. You can effortlessly rest each part of body on the one below. And this way, you feel like resting, but there's some strength. So you can find balance. All the part of your body is resting. One top of the others. But at the same time, there's kind of a strength within you. Your spine straight. Sometimes you feel like a little bit gravity. Feel a little bit like gravity. And just feel sometimes some sensations. Just let it be. Whatever feeling in your body, just aware and let it be. When I was young, my father used to tell me that let your body on the cushion and let your mind in the body. This way. Join body and mind together. Your mind come to the body, just aware of your body and aware of any sensation, feelings in your body. Pleasant feeling, joy, bliss, or unpleasant feeling, tight, pain, or neutral feeling, maybe tingling or no feeling. So any type of feeling, just aware and let it be. Okay, for few seconds, just aware. But relax. Now you can expand your awareness into out of your body. Surround of you. Maybe there's some sound or any smell or any sensation, like your room temperature, little bit hot, bit cold, any noise, people are chatting, or car, train, or aeroplanes moving around, or your neighbors making noise, anything, just aware, just knows, just recognize there is sound, and your awareness become more open and more vast. Stay there and aware of any phenomena for a few seconds. Now you can expand your awareness even more further beyond your immediate surrounding. Fill the space around you, above you, and aware of that space more further down. All the phenomena occur in the space, changing in the space, dissolve back into the space. Like cloud, they come into space, remain in the space, they dissolve into the space. And now you can even more expand your awareness, go beyond the clouds, space which is boundless, space which is open for all directions, everywhere. Be there. Don't worry, you're not going to get lost. Stay there for a few seconds. Okay, now please slowly open your eyes and be present here. Just rest your mind also. Not only the body. How to rest your mind? For example, if you like to do physical exercise, you're jogging in the garden or park, or hiking to the hills or mountains, maybe for a few minutes or hours, let's say 1 hour. And after finish your jog, you may use nice seats or rock or grass field. Sit on the grass field or field, and with big sigh, just resting. You don't have to meditate. Just let your mind rest as it is, and the body also. Just rest for a few seconds. Maybe you feel like, oh, there's so many thoughts, so many emotions occur in my mind. What should I do with those emotions, those thoughts? Same as before, you're just aware. If there's thought and emotion, you're just aware of thought and emotions. What I call blah, 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 blah. Just look at the blah, 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 aware, and let it be. Same like you're aware of your body, aware of sound and sensations. Now same, just aware, thought and emotions. Let them come and let them go. But if you cannot aware of them, also fine. You are in non-conceptual state of mind, but not too long, for a few seconds. Again, you see thought and emotions, or form, sound, smell, anything. Just aware for a few seconds. Anything occur in your mind, in your body, in your perceptions, just aware and let it be. Okay, now you can apply this awareness, this awareness with any situation in your life, with any activities in daily life. Short time, many times. Everywhere, anytime. 7 days for a week, 365 of the year. Then you can be your mind with joyful, peaceful experience, and you will develop your inner love, compassion, wisdom. Thank you.